Explore the top 5 catalysts, including record highs in US markets, rising Trump odds, and rate cut bets. Plus, key Nifty and Bank Nifty technicals and major earnings updates. Early indication at GIFT Nifty suggests it's likely to be a big positive start for the benchmark Nifty and for momentum stocks. The 4 key positive catalysts. 1. IMF raises India's FY25 growth forecast upward to 7%. In June, the Reserve Bank of India had revised India's growth forecast upward to 7.2 from 7% earlier. India has grown over 7% over the last 3 years. 2. The Dow Jones Index had spiked 742 points in Tuesday's session. In yesterday's session too, Dow was well above the dotted lines and most importantly, scaled a new record all-time high at 41,136 levels. 3. The bullish trend is actually on the backdrop of cooling US inflation data which have boosted bets that the Federal Reserve would start cutting interest rates in September. 4. The Trump trade. Increasing odds of Donald Trump's winning the US presidential election after a failed assassination attempt. Our call of the day suggests that the biggest risk to stock markets across globe are no longer on inflation but geopolitical conflict risk. We say so because overnight the Nasdaq dropped after Donald Trump, who is now the favorite to win November's election, said Taiwan should be paying the US for protection and accused it of stealing America's semiconductor business. China has long threatened to invade the island to bring it back under the control of the mainland. Please note, Taiwan is the dominant country in the global chip industry and a critical part of the supply chain. Global cues are positive. In Tuesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1271 crores while DIIs were net sellers to tune of Rs 529 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher high-low patterns. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,900 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has is hovering at 14.22 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.38 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.09. Nifty outlook. Nifty's record-breaking rally shall keep on rolling. Nifty, CMP to 4613. Support, 24,500 to 24,450. Resistance, 24,700 to 24,750. Range, 24,500 to 24,750. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 397. Support, 52,200 to 52,100. Resistance, 52,600 to 52,700. Range, 52,200 to 52,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. The corporate earnings season will kick into high gear with reports from companies like Thursday, 18th July, Seat, Central Bank, Dalmia Bharat, Havells, IndusInd Bank, Infi, LTTS, Persistent, Rallis, South Indian Bank, Tata Communication, Tata Technology. Friday, 19th July, Blue Dart, BPCL, Nam India, Oberoi Realty, Paytm, PVR Inox, Reliance, RIL. The two firms which missed Q1 earnings estimates. Asian Paints Q1 results, consolidated PAT drops 24% YoY to 1,170 crore rupees. LTI Mindtree Q1 results, consolidated PAT falls over 1% YoY to 1,134 crore rupees, revenue rises 5%.